and welcome to today's video. It is 6:55, so it is the first day of our trip. It is Monday, November 6th. We actually came in today and we got to our resort around 4. However, our room wasn't ready until 4:45. DVC, it's after 4, so it wasn't ready till 4:45. We got in, we had groceries delivered, so we were getting our room. We cooked dinner, and then we got to the park around 6:30. And then Ray and Ryder were able to get in. They had verified, I guess, they're Florida resident, but I hadn't. I don't know why. I bought all the tickets at the same time, so I had to stop. I went to go to guest services. I didn't have my license on me, but I had a picture of it, thank God. So I was able to get my annual pass activated. So they went on Spaceship Earth. So I am waiting for them to ride Spaceship Earth. And then we're gonna go ride Guardians, test track whatever we can. Today is extra evening hours at EPCOT, so that's what we're gonna do. So I mean, we literally only have 4 hours. There's only 2 hours left of the regular park hours. People are leaving, and then we're going to be headed to, and then 2 hours of the park. We're probably gonna stay around Future World or whatever this area is called. We're probably not gonna head to World Showcase tonight. We're coming back on Friday. So we're here from Monday to Sunday. And but we only have pixie dust passes, so we can only go during the weekday. So we're going EPCOT on Monday and Friday, and we're gonna do as much as we can today, but we're definitely gonna do Test Track, Cosmic Rewind, and Soarin Over California. Okay, and since they're not around, I'm gonna go get a drink, see if I can find a booth that's in this area. I think there's usually one by Test Track, so I'm gonna go over there and see if I can get a drink somewhere. And I found one, it's right outside the Creation Shop. It's the Coastal Eats, and they have an Australian cuvee, which is a sparkling wine. I like you fill it up to the top. Thank you. So I got my cuvee, and now I'm just waiting for Ryder and Ray to come. They said they were gonna meet me by Club Cool. That's Club Cool. So we were able to use our boarding group earlier. I did get it at 7 a.m. They're flexible with Cosmic Rewind, not flexible with Tron. So keep that in mind. So we're in line for Cosmic Rewind now. We do have one for later tonight as well for the extra magic hour. So our plan is to just ride as much as we can within Future World. Ryder's never been in Soarin Over California, so we're gonna go there probably. We're gonna go Test Track next, and then Soarin Over California. But yeah, and then we know Figment is closed during extra evening hours, so I don't know if we're gonna go try to go to him first, because we know that he sleeps during evening hours. Hey Ryder, what song are we gonna get?
One way or another.
One way or another? Okay, I can see your butt crack. I don't want to turn the light on. So Ryder thinks One Way or Another. Ray thinks September. And I'm thinking as I ran.
Michael Siegel, I ran.
That one. Okay, he's older than me.
Whatever.
Okay, that's what I'm thinking. I was thinking Conga, but now I'm thinking that.
Ready, Ryder? Ryder?
You're likely doomed. You're gonna need it. What have we done? I think we're turning back.
I went and got another cuvee, and Ray got some swine thing.
Swine brine.
Swine brine. I took a picture before.
It's got Jim Beam bourbon.
And then Ryder, what'd you get? You got a chocolate something.
Chocolate tart.
Is it good? Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay. And now we're in line for Test Track, and yeah, it's already 8:15, so the park's almost closed. So definitely not heading over to World Showcase today. So we were on group 6, but they didn't fill 7 and 8, so we all got to do a car. Woohoo! So I realized why they didn't fill number 8, because 8 didn't work. I can't go. I did the basic design, but if I try to do anything else, it won't let me. It won't let me do it. So that's the reason why 8's not working. But oh, 78 power! Look at 78. No, go up, go up, go down. Yeah, that's 78. That's good, yeah. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
Daddy's gonna win.
Me!
Mommy!
Daddy.
You gonna pull your yellow tab?
I'm gonna pull everyone's tab.
So it was a glitch. It's a little backed up. We're in traffic. It's rush hour traffic. So
How many pounds did you have on your car?
I had more than you.
Less than you.
I had more than you.
Then I ought to be in the 90s.
I'm in the 90s.
How do you know that?
How do you know?
Wait,
How do you
I
know?
didn't get launched, so it doesn't count.
I love Riders Rules. So it is just after 9. We're going to try and see if Moana Journey of Water is open, but I'm not sure. Fireworks are going on. We're going to try and see if we can get into Journey of Water. So here we go. So it is open. You just have to scan to make sure that you are, you have the hours.
Oh my god, it's
Almost.
We have done a total of 2 rides in 2 hours. Or no, they did a ride. So they did a ride, and then we did the journey into water, whatever that is. And then I can't see, so I'm following him. Oh, look how cool! You can see the Spaceship Earth behind me. And now we're gonna go to ride Soarin'. We've got 2 hours of extra evening hours. We're gonna do as much as we can. Probably gonna ride Soarin', Test Track, and Cosmic Rewind again, because that's all that rider wants to do, let's be honest. So we're gonna ride Soarin', now taking flight. Ryder has never ridden Soarin' Over California.
Oh,
What are you
look, and the 100 thing on it.
Yeah, and what are you looking forward to, Ryder?
Smelling the oranges, 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 oranges.
He's a little hyper right now.
Everywhere.
So I'm really hoping the oranges are working, because all Ryder keeps talking about is smelling the oranges. So if the oranges, he can't smell the oranges, he's gonna be severely disappointed. He never wants to ride Soarin'. Like, he never wants to ride Soarin'. Like, he's rode it like a couple times, but this is a ride that he skips. So the fact that he wants to ride it, and all he wants to talk about is smelling the oranges. Camera on. The cast member saw us, and Ryder's like, I can't wait to smell the oranges. And she's like, I'm gonna put you down here so you can get B1. So we're gonna get prime seating in Soarin'. Gotta love those cast members. Disney Man.
Wait, what is that? Is that the Matterhorn?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, Mickey!
our group for the extra evening hours was $175, and it was called at $921, which is a lot better than last time. So we are headed now back to Guardians, and Ryder is forced to ride with me. There he goes. There he goes. Okay, last call.
One way or another.
And I'm gonna go for Iran again. We'll see. No one picked September. It's probably gonna be September again.
Yeah, probably.
You ready?
Yeah!
Okay, what's gonna be the song?
Conga!
Conga!
I think we're coming back.
We don't care about because we got the skin. We already got it.
We're gonna push through it. You can push through it. Yeah.
Because we don't.
Gating eco scan for aerodynamic efficiency.
And we're back at the stat station to make his card. I think Neon Machine or Neon Defender. I don't know, I've never done it.
On a Disney tram.
First time on a Disney tram.
First time on a Disney tram. Dun, 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 dun.
First tram ride.
Yeah. Woohoo! The new card. First Disney tram ride.
It's a little chilly. So we had a great day at EPCOT. It is 11:15. We are leaving extra magic hour. So we did Cosmic Rewind twice. We did Test Track twice. And we did Soarin once. And then we also went into the Journey of Water. I don't know. But it was
Moana's Journey of Water, I believe is what it's called.
It's really good. We really enjoyed it. I thought it was great. It was
He
really
had a blast.
And it's really good at night. We haven't seen it during the day, but it's really cool at night. So I think night is really when to see it. So, but that is it for today. So we were only at the park for maybe 4.5 hours, but we did a lot. I mean, we got to do the major things that Ryder really likes to do. So we're coming back on Friday to EPCOT. We'll get to do everything else, but we got to do the main things that he really likes to do. So that's good. Especially the last time we did the extra evening hours, Test Track was down. So we got to see we got the card, and we got to do his first tram ride. First card tram ride. from the
First
park.
Disney tram ride.
First Disney tram ride. So
And look at the card. It's amazing.
and he got his Test Track card. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Say bye, Ryder.
Bye, Ryder.